This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up Notion for note-taking. First, create your free Notion account. Once logged in, you can choose to start with a blank page or explore the many available templates. Notion uses a block-based system, allowing you to add text, images, to-do lists, and more, giving you incredible flexibility for organizing your thoughts and information. This initial setup is crucial for building a personalized workspace. Now, let's organize your workspace. Create new pages for different subjects or projects, and use subpages to break down larger topics. Databases are powerful for managing structured information, like a reading list or project tasks, offering various views such as tables or boards. Personalize your pages with unique icons and covers to make navigation intuitive and visually appealing, enhancing your overall note-taking experience. To take effective notes, leverage Notion's features. Toggle lists are excellent for hiding details until needed, keeping your pages clean. Callout blocks highlight important information with a distinct visual. Link related pages together to build a comprehensive knowledge base, making it easy to jump between connected ideas. You can also embed files and web links directly, centralizing all your resources in one place for easy access. For advanced note-taking, master Notion's keyboard shortcuts. They significantly speed up your workflow. Consider sharing pages with others for collaborative projects or study groups, allowing real-time editing and feedback. This enhances productivity and ensures everyone stays on the same page. Also, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your daily life. These tools can truly transform your note-taking and productivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.